Yeah, probably our support. I respond say on any wife age 20 years. Ni mum de 1 year say one fan san koma ebusuafo ama ebusuafo mu say oni omo this year no ewie na amanfo so kasa bebre say so we ye ne saade a na wonwie because oni oba tena na se wodwen say ontumi ni oba na ntena bi after so ni na wo enkwala pole enan a na wo dwumedi e wo se wodi ontumi ncha na nsi ho ana odi fa wa no tra enka say woni ne jai I think say ye papa ya sapon shada ntia ponti na em say ontumi nkasa yi enchechere nse mu ena ebiem so no ense bisa bishop ya wadu ebisa no no amma no ekwan say onkasa enko echire ebusuya me de nse no mu chire mu na ebro ti meso say subscribe my page with me adoma no so say na me upload ya so na onsa ebetuma aka ebusuya eden wo tantra hill ya bansoro mro chia obi antire mu da eden aye ton o person rent it for a long time onso a akonya da ho no mo me drop video just after this one send na obe pick your contact was na one omo akasa payment system no so dey flexible kwan a person twa no o from a na wa chrom how person wo twa no okra cash and about twa na installment.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale.
Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Frey. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
What if no matter about too much?
You so many.
Yeah, we did some poem there.
Yeah, no more than the Bible.
Good. The friend say, you near Bema and I say, Papa, you are supping about out. I will respond to, and someone who have got an antenna, sure, no so can. We know some friends same be about it, but you see, I will respond to that issue, say, or no, but 20 years, you know, say.
Too much, my mention motive for a chili and a bench. Maybe the America said, what children want in a fact. What children want. Oh yeah, it's you, baby. I want to children want. Tea, the American ye. What children want, Tenafaco. A chinchin, and then send be breathing and now. The ancient may imagine said, me back into this current situation. You say, I know many of musicians, too much by 4. I should be on Becubiana, baby on Bequaco, I should be, and they try. Some will be about or Bell.
Okay.
Many musicians 4, and net almost here to the moon from almost dear my intino, or myself, or your holy, or your conco, or my musician 4. Almost coye put me fancy to Kumasi be program or cry, who talk about college, or be making sure say, when what your bar, after you've not minimum musicians and I. And I won't say, Ayana, I'm to phone Bibrina, me mechanical, Bibrina per man. Because maybe musician, your barber told you what, or Taswa, or no back or down who tell and son about the children, oh, Kumasi, or no back or that and son about the children more, erade all Tasso. Many of the musicians are mechanical prostitutes. Many of the musicians, one more pair gamine, one more pair, one more ten or baba. And I won't say too much. Or baby, anya kwasia. Or baby, anya boa. So what you say. And I won't say, once I won't buy now. So won't pay you, and answer when say, baby, I will do. And answer the level I will do. Pet those kind of Obama. I didn't know the teens. And answer Obama, what dear, I won't conquer you out for no. Maybe I won't for Obama common out for Sabia. And they are support me level I may do. Baby, many Obama me share category now on some fatame. In Jabia Bushian for Monsen. So what you say? Ebia dear, maybe in an answer major money. Modisi, Brebra, Mamma, Yama, and as a Wuja Obano Swampa, and was so soon with some sum of money. And this can be a Obana of one nature, and then a bet not there. I was also who association, dear now pay. It's your back, nobody a pin man. It is a bad money penny, happy. Omo say our giants, our say, Nanaban. Down, you know, baby, and Casway Jow 20 years ago. A bushian for any more. wonim say wo biological son baby ana won sa man for bebre na ka say too much until now program okoye no de oba no okoye is the best
Samu ode ya sa pako
my mother me mame ejawari na me was 7 years and I make it 40 years bra ye ko bre okumasi abontin so asafo market you ura asafo market top we fresh could be am Zion bra ye ko bre twese 7 years ejawari na me na matonsu ton original has ni pk me ba kejitia ebe ton me ma no ton kushia me be ton kushia o me wia ni aba ba bi e fra no sofola ni abeton ade ansa na ade besa enti ye tenasia because of our jaye and I won say oba bi anye kwasea oba bi anye fu se de amanfo ka no ade nti na wo ware oba no otu nyame ho no na wo musa alpha ni omega say wo no oba ntema ware ne be kwa kosi sei juma to ati ase boy bi wo kumase a ene otodwom me we afi ni din ono nso yo ta to me fa say ya sapon mo nwum ni bi oye guy bi sa ono nso ni program anasa ni problem e ba antena na opa musician wo oto worship e santu pu obu oba no kwasea say ya make you okoye program e na ade ni libido bai ne ho twetwe no e na one gira ne kika obi akoto awade ho nwum o worship and praises na wakwa yesu nsawom uri abegina awade altar so na oba ne do ba bre o se wanyi nse na joba o se mempe no o mpe na ene na akodi ye se what you say. So I know many of the musicians they are fond of doing those things.
But so can say who support
it's the best too much. Oba bia nso de sa anye na de keke. Ade no tight na menwa. Hwe so wo de wanu aka se we job for 20 years. Na enne en oba ne ba betie sim. Busa se o man na wo ja o 20 when na firi o. When na mo to money. Na mpo man where about. Do you care? Aya unse obi o ba too much oni masem bi mu a osore keka de ono na adwene kire no. Ade no se ento wa anase unko bi mu da e wo sa de o ka no. Ba sa de no bobo ba wakate na menwa e wo sa de hunsu hu ni fa. Imagine when you obey God for 20 years. Ento ba o man na no ba na wo no. Why entity ni nsam wuro mu hwe o man no madu sa te bia no. So for no why do smedi no ya pa. Na Obama we job for 20 years. Na say ne ma kwa ko iska no phone so a. They have any right. One more any right to unse won kole bo ha. One more clear conscience. Ye wa kole bo se do bi for le ni papa no. O ma ko school. What was also more school fees why the tia. O ma be di won mese. Baby a ma be da. What doubt in the home. But rather now see celebrating Father's Day. So many fathers out there, they wanted children to celebrate them. What are they celebrating you people about? But when your father there, Anna, Menayana, men so some hunuso, men fans and hunuso, or bound in the children. I had done and will be yet.
What is it about doing this year?
Now you are done and the Yoruba want to say, behind any rumor. There is a little bit iota of truth in it.
Yeah, good thing say there. Yeah, deal with information say better one thing.
Any information.
Yeah, then the wife can yeah, and the TY can.
Oba bia too much. Oba bia nyoma menenwa. Hey, na too much here. Oba 9 months awo. Oba before you from mount. Emu nteso titia. Emu abre mu amane me wife we wo. Na me gina ho. O me twins ka me ya fenti. Me hunu say the ma wo tie no. Ka me ya fenti wo hospital. E hona me bo me hu dia e kan ni mitiri mu se awurade no matter what may comes enya ba ko o mental fo no ye san twa no me third born ye de se kan manim sei e no mo pa na yere e yi akwala ni free na ya se the fourth born e ye ntal fo no se ntal fo te wia beba te wia na chi o kwa kwa ye san twa no bio e ti sa won ti oba pains unye ni pa wa tinka ena onkonkon kwa adwuma no ye waka kire ye Galatians chapter 6 verse number 16 ever o se e wo se wa ye mu ye o wo feelings di ma onua sa oti ase enya ho te se oba ne oba boni bi oba bi anya boni o ba ye mema ye sunu ye ban ye ne ye ene be mo oba bi ariate busa ho se for that 20 years enum to abeto ready for su pejao behind any successful man there is there is a woman me enya me yire mpai banka be nu de madui
de bi odifo won say aware bi eni wonu ma ensem ni
but entwichi oba ne say oba na ye bone oba na kanwema ensem fata
won say me na wo ka no to the extreme to the sense yasapon sem na kasa no on say da en kasa e
oh
oba na be kan ensem abobru ensem so e na yasapon on tiapo enti no e na be ma so kasemwi kakra bi no betimi aka but enyema e koso aware ni mu no because yasapon obi a wa bobra wodi so you're a very bad person and can you deem to me quite chisa
that's it
and I take that
and who say oba bi mpai bo and am kwa achire
there be who say oba na kasa kan say enkola ni nti yasapon ka ten say on tiri for no enkola no because yasapon dwen say ono no o chinchin na ne wife su chinchin a enkola ne be say it's what ne fi no enkola bo mu a e be boa
e tie format
well ena
enti adenti na adani bibie ho
enti bia asemi wo ho a omuntumi emfa mba out here enyesa de a bi na e ka se oba na anye ne wosanko ye enda ma no so no anye ne yi but saka ya sapon betimi a chechire nseni mu yi a because bishop Yawedu answer that man akwenya se on
kasa
aka bi obechire mu be e free ye e bia asem ekonkon ho no omuntumi kan wie ye enu ti na ma anye ma etisa who say eto da won me hu ni say asem ne bia yen kan wie ye no
enu nti
obi betime gina bi a conclude wa asem ne so bon e bia ne oba no osuban bia o say on the same film ena ya sapon ena akoye san
but me dey too man to be frank and sincere and fair obama bia bedu sam limit bia e oba bi ota na chini mpaibo me ye prophet me near the empire in the realms but me bomb pai do limit bia me da ebi wa medan matese me yire bompa ni osu erade mi kunu nkokora afa ne koma me etimi na mo a e wo me ha sei e sanwo mo adwini e to de bi I rejected the work of the Lord me say erade bibia anko bibia amfa me kwa akura ase me yire ka kire me say that you can make it ubetimi aye don't lose hope so what you say but oba wa bom akiri dom o pia me o de mpaibo na aduane oba akwa kachia stress obefam so ti ase na awurade aboa o na anyumtufo Ghana nyumtu obi a wadu ba bia ye papa ya asapon adui etumuru se oba bi na tawo chide ena wa mu kwase wa anko yi ma nwu ti afim anyu ma nwu ya ade ni
debi o say prophet
o de tuma mama nu sinamra o
debi asem de o kana se pese o kama ba akofo a
me kama ba akofo debi
enya oba
me nya pasia
because me say enya oba ne nko a na aboma ya sapon edo be wodu no
ya sapon so o sofo betimi ya
sapon aka say mu no ba na ommo bia
but o yire a woda wo chire debi o behind any successful man there is a woman Proverbs 31:25-31
aware no
shout ya se
aware no mutimu no enya ya sapon nko a na aye
o de
enya oba ne nko a na aye
but oba ne mpa ba support no hwe odifo bi a me ba o say
mama no si wa ase o say ya sapon o wo team a o no mo ye juma enti team no so no a support no ti wa aka ne team no ti wa support ya support na kase mu no o mbu no abonfia o hye no nkran de bia ono so aboa na yire na o de ne tire nso no abompa ya aboa enti no so o kase na yire a na say dia guy bi na okonye sika endo bi fe na wa kase ne say sika na ko fa ya na nye sika fa koma niura o de ko na guy ne trend ye papa no e no nwa say driver sika na say am back
kai
and the interview no o say eye me yiri ama ye nyina ye me yiri anche na ne wife mafia no ne wife bi shi ne ni no endo hu say the oba gbon ti be kan na say don't judge a book by its cover.
That's it.
Them say can no drink say the wife ye but last minute and send by no o say the wife enge ba me dey person dey come na be ne wi ye dey ba me person ye ma ye ni abe ma ya sapon akwenya because on kasa aye
me dey
ye tumi tie ba akofo anu ase.
That's it. Me dey concern dey na ogina e papa AY edu asori a all kan where sometimes on say wo ma oba na kwenya ama na kasa akwa akira ube hunu Ghana nnwomtofo ni bi suban boni wo mutim me nka se na ya sapon okuta me tuma minimum nnwomtofo bi anu masia wo mo dance ban boni ebi wo kwa na ya so they wanted to come and sleep some with my singers ye chi wom red handed. So I know many of them. I know much about them. Bebre ya gamanfo. Bebre ntimi so makono so. Bebre wo suban boni ni ye boni bi behind enwumto ene di oba be ye ho no. E bi mun so finance or ye business.
The business.
Bebre na finance as adwuma kron bi ate se won konkon aduma che bi odi aduma se nwumto. Na ye oba ye adwuma mana so ni obi fa na se eye na adwuma oye. You want to go to the drunkards. Meaning Ghana, you can worship leader be a branch at 10 gram beer, or we are petition beer.
But we are so called own women.
Buy your faster, or your young to new or tap to or sorry pa, new praises, or your 10 gram, never your tia cocoa, or your cocoa to buy it. Cassiacra, or your media, a cassiacra, or your faster book, or Afra now, or Duncan, or Yafu, or Duncan, but or we are petition. Me say or we are petition. Engineer wo omu suban en wo ne ye o se menhwem ne mum hede me ye na de ho nkonkron so e ka no too much what you say menhwem mi suban hwede me ye no enope e does not qualify you ena aduma chede nya firi ho nkonkum na eba so what you say enti so be gina bonten e be ye ena ye papa no very careful Ebia the prophet AY do nin cancer the dan ni munye kura. That was an 2 days I was watching. Ne yare na aba ni nyina odinfo bi na dia ma me pese be ko sunsun odinfo bi. Na ba bia odinfo ndi na duru wan hwe yi a ye ntia asem papa. Se papa AY do ni so ko cemetery e ko stop ni ma minim so odinfo bi an ko cemetery e ko stop o so akọ cemetery akọ stop ni o ma bia. O musan samanfo ni se de ne da papa lechi. Sana resurrection power the by prophet Amuakwata begin so benya ko be me call Inju TV no more year life e ko church papa no nyankwa na nkom se na di na ban enchire enye Yehowa de within a week na da so e na de da papa ni munye de da ni munye odinfo ye nkonsa mampom
okay
too much ye nkonsa mampom ko ye hwe because so pa humboni a omani ye dimpa omo ye nan samampom no motie omo ye nan e na bola so o odinfo akwa akoye den o ko akoye den unse enanu Christianity na nansi nyame som na ye som no se wan pe ba bia nyame hohomotia na o de tuma imagine se wa frame me na me ka to se konsa mampom akoye nioma o ya me yira de na badwene o de na akoye won samampom wo enu pa ya no da agenda o de hwede be ba papa no so ye konsa mampom e na se wo kwa ye wo de obeye uwura na se ye kosi odi se won samampom a me kan si asem so wo de semna ehwam ebe wo horo nsa wo pie firi samampom wo gate na no now the spray e dey spray won sam men ka bibia biu
prophet
but your papa no very careful the done ni mu no I was making an enquiry na me ka kire me so ba so hu o se ada wo de bibia ni we free erade altar so aba for mu a it does not tally that enti we anyway we be pass on the papa ko edu hu akwa serade nsa ba bia o se hwehwe mi ba bia be hu me nyame adifo ni nya ne ko nsamampo wo de busa ben pese me ba papa ne de ne so me de me final word asi enko nsamampo enko bola so enko direction enko nkwantanan obi chi pupu obi di hwe ye so mu oba bia kwasea na emom yo bounce na mu ku na you very careful erade do me san ma na omu ku wo mo toto ayampia be ma me ni wanum enya wo se egu anum so na me ne wo ye hwan eye ye mmema nti ne bo ma enso ba toto ku atwe be ma dem frem ye ntwe nkomo ukunu bu kwasea me minim de meye no oyiri bu kwasea me minim de meye no ono anka so be hu se yes enya anu ugbowure ma na ati bebi frem number was 0249 631-876 0249-631-876 yemfa ni ma mpemo no yoma ya mensi wo bibiri manu ato
ebusia me ni prophet Bernard Esiam ene di enkomo no ni okan na ye na adwenkyere ha wo no esife hunu ba I think say Ebreso say you betimi a conclude on this issue. We say yeah pa ya sapo no on shut down feel fine and onya Ebreso enchechere simu e ma yenti ase yenti no ye wo say ye na ye say ye nya otwen ma na fe ne mo mpa no say ne mpum be ne de na wetima ba bonta betoa enyuma pa oye so ebusia I too much subscribe my page na mi adoma so na me upload bi anso na onsa ebetima ka makram